How to rank up fast on Fortnite. Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to rank up fast on Fortnite. Firstly, try to finish the daily quest for XP. Daily quests refresh every day at 6 a.m. PST or 9 a.m. EST or 2 p.m. GMT. These quests are similar to weekly quests, though the task can be done a lot quicker. These quests may look like restoring shields, upgrading weapons, visiting landmarks, and more. If you play Fortnite daily, be sure to complete at least the first 3 daily quests. Each quest onward will have a reduced XP reward amount. Then finish weekly quests. Every Tuesday, Fortnite adds new challenges you can complete during matches. These weekly challenges range from tasks like dealing a certain amount of damage to riding a mount or catching fish. Unlike daily quests, these quests won't be refreshed for an entire week, so you have time to complete them for the rewards. Party assists can help you finish these quests more quickly. When you play with friends in Fortnite matches, they can help get progress on your daily and weekly quests with the Party Assist feature if you have quests that are about to expire. Play duos, trios, or squads to get a helping hand. Use Fortnite's creative mode to farm XP. You can find these modes in the Discover tab. Popular modes include Only Up Fortnite, which gives you XP as you use objects to climb as high as you can. These modes can offer a break from battling, so be sure to take advantage of them. As a paid option, you can play Save the World, which is a PvE zombie shooter-like mode. This rewards up to 450,000 XP per day, about 6 levels, so you can play this mode to gain steady levels. You can even play this mode in co-op, so you and your squad can level up together. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.